Hey chatters, if this is the first time to the channel, welcome. My name is Joe. I'm the CEO of Synaptic Labs. We've taught thousands of people how to use AI practically and responsibly, and are the creators of the Professor Synapse prompt, which has over 100,000 uses in the GPT store. Today, I want to walk you through something newly released, which is Gemini's 2.5 Flash image model. What makes this image model a little bit different than the other ones is it's actually not necessarily really focused on creating an image from scratch. Instead, you give it some images as reference and you can edit an image based on just natural language. You can see here in the image they provide, they gave a woman's face, a phone, and some background, and then some prompt to put it all together. And what do we get? This image with the background and the person with the phone. I figured what we should do is take some sort of use case and just live demonstrate how good does this thing work. So I know there's this popular thing going around called Labubu. They're these little funky dolls that are going around and have gained a lot of popularity this past year. Folks like Rihanna and Dua Lipa are like putting them on their handbags and whatever. So I figured why not take a product, an image of a product, and let's upload it and mess around and see how we can change it and how well it adheres to our instructions. As of recording this, if you want to access this new model, there's many ways, but the easiest way is to just go to aistudio.google.com and come to this chat or generate media. And you can see here, at least as of recording this, it says we can use Gemini native image. We don't actually have to click on that. All we got to do is paste our image in and let's give it a prompt. For now, we have this nice white background. So maybe we want to add some sort of background to this. So let's do something like Cyberpunk cityscape. And there you go. We have a cyberpunk city background. I don't really know what this is standing on, but that comes down to the prompting probably. So let's give it a little bit more direction and see how it does. Looking good. It listened. I changed this to a cityscape background with the figure standing in an alleyway. And you can see here now we're in a cyberpunk alleyway with this figure. Okay, now let's say that we have different versions of this product that we want to show off, but we don't want to actually have to create that different color or clothing or whatever. So let's try taking this image, the figure, and changing that up. And here we go. So I would say not perfect, but now it has red fur. It did move this lightning mark. We got a little Harry Potter figure here. Gave it sunglasses, although you can see these sunglasses are not fully covering the eyeballs. And it gave us this Matrix style coat that we have. Let's do a little bit more of a complex test here. Let's see if what they did on the Gemini page of putting a few images as reference and then putting them all together actually works. So we're going to have our figure, a desk, and a person. And we're going to give a simple prompt of the woman sitting behind her desk holding the purple-haired figure and see how it puts it all together. I mean, it did a pretty good job. Look at this. It really kept the character consistency. It has everything with the desk. She even has her arm laid across it, and she's holding up our figure. Okay, Google, color me impressed. I think this is very valuable. I'd say if you're trying to generate actual images, this is probably not the model for you. You'll want to use ChatGPT's image model or probably Google's Imagen model series to create that initial photo or image of whatever you're trying to create. But in terms of actual natural language image editing, this is pretty ridiculous. You can take those images of your products, or if maybe you're trying to create YouTube thumbnails or other social media content, now you can mix and match, put it all together, and just say, hey, mash this up in the specific way I've identified. This is incredibly valuable, and I'll be interested to see how our other image models come out and are able to compete with this, because obviously many of those don't have the resources that Google has. So try it out. Let us know what you think about it in the comments. And if you have any questions on how to use it, definitely let us know. If you're looking for other ways how to incorporate this technology or other technologies related to generative AI in your business, please reach out to us, link in the comments. I hope this was valuable, and I'll see you in the next one.